Make guilt-free, mouth-watering Batata Vada with just a scan in LG Wi-Fi-enabled scan-to-cook charcoal microwave oven by following these easy steps. Simply scan the QR code on your LG microwave oven and select Batata Vada from LG recipes in the LG ThinQ app and follow the preparation method shown on the mobile screen. Here are the ingredients we will be needing for this recipe. Put the boiled potatoes in a microwave-safe bowl and mash them well. Now add all the ingredients in the bowl. Mix well. Grease the multi-cooked tawa with some oil. Make big vadas of the mixture and arrange the vada on a tawa. Press send button on the LG ThinQ app. Keep the tawa on a high rack inside the microwave oven and press start. When the microwave oven beeps, turn over the vadas and grease them with a little oil. Now, keep the tawa inside the microwave oven again. Press start. Your mouth-watering Batata Vada made with the LG scan-to-cook charcoal microwave oven is ready. Relish them guilt-free. Follow these simple steps to operate scan-to-cook microwave oven.